If you're a business owner, getting a chargeback is one of the last things that you want to see. That is when a customer calls their bank and says, hey, I didn't approve of this purchase, or this company did not hold up to their end of their bargain and gave me an inferior product or service. And then the business has to remit that payment back to the bank. So I got one of those yesterday, and it's not something I got upset about. It's something I got curious about. Because we offer a perfect fit guarantee here at Martinson Manufacturing. If you don't know what we do, we have customers who have this setup for their portable air conditioner going out their window, and we provide them with this setup. So it's all based off of customers' measurements. We cut it according to what they provide us when they follow our measuring video. So I thought this was interesting because we have a perfect fit guarantee. If it doesn't fit the way you hoped, we remake the panel for you and ship it out free of charge. Everything's free, completely free. Seriously, that's kind of unheard of for custom manufacturing, but that's what we do. And so I'm like, why are we getting a chargeback when this customer knows that we offer a perfect fit guarantee? So I just figured she didn't. So I reached out to her and said, hey, I heard that your product didn't fit the way you hoped. We have a perfect fit guarantee. By the way, we'd be glad to remake you a new one. Turns out she had been emailing us, and the emails never landed in our inbox. She was sending them from her business email. I don't know if her company blocked it, my company blocked it, whatever happens, whatever the case, they just never made it through. And so I felt bad. I was like, oh shoot, this lady has just been suffering with this product that didn't meet her expectations, and reached out to us several times and never got a reply. If that ever happened to you, pick up the phone, call us, try us a different way. Sometimes emails get lost in the interwebs somehow. But yeah, pick up the phone, give us a call. Yeah, we're more than happy to help. So I was really glad to hear back from this customer. She replied back with a Gmail account, and that one weren't through. So that's good. So she provided us with the correct measurements that she needs, and per our perfect fit guarantee, we're remaking the thing and shipping it out to her. So I don't really care about the chargeback. I'll probably just go ahead and go in my Shopify store and approve it. I don't really care, but I just want a customer to have a good experience with our dark shop. We want to have a customer have a good experience with our business. So all about customer service, serving the customer, not getting upset when things happen, but getting curious and trying to figure out how we can best serve the customer.